हाय। अभी लाइव। Hello everyone. We will be starting the session shortly. We are waiting for people to join. So people who are present, hi, this is Shriyamani. I'm the Google DSC lead for RAIT for this year, and we will be starting the official session in some time. Okay, hello everyone to all the people who are present in the live. First of all, thank you for joining. And yeah, we can see like there are so many people who have joined. So we will be starting with the live session now. First of all, let me introduce you all to my team. Hello. Uh, yes, you can all unmute yourself and introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanay Mandre and I'm the management lead for GDSC RAIT for year 2022 to 23.
Hello everyone, I am Soham Parwekar and I am the project lead for GDSC RIT for the year 22-23.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhavini Srivastava and I'm the outreach lead for the year 22-23.
Hello,
So this
myself
was the
Ishan
core team.
Patil.
Now we have technical core. Yes, yes.
Hello, myself Ishan Patil and I am app development lead in GDSC RID for year 2022 and 23.
Okay. So this is our
I am
team,
lead.
and this year we have like lots of technical domain which are included in our board members. So the core team as well as the technical core team, these together form the board members, and we will soon be having an offline info session too, where you'll get to meet everyone and have clear ideas about the things that are planned. As of now, in this session, we will be describing various domains that we have, non technical as well as technical. And after that, we will be briefing you about the events that we have planned in near future. Okay. So, how many of you are already a part of GDSC, like who have joined the chapter? You can just comment yes. And how many are there who want to know like how to join or how you can be a part of this? Yes, okay. So there are some who are a part of GDSC already, and the main thing which we received on social media was that people were asking us how can we join this chapter or how can we join this community, and what are the steps and everything. So the steps are very simple. First of all, what is the joining fee? Like fee to be a part of GDSC, what is it? Any guesses? Some of you might know that already, because normally the procedure is you have to fill the membership fee and then you become the member, you get the receipt, right? So what is it for GDSC? No guesses. It's free, correct. So there's no joining fee. So the becoming a part of GDSC is not really difficult. All that you have to do is you just have to join the chapter. We will be sharing the link in the chat box where you will get to know how to join the chapter. Where you will you'll be directed to the community page or the chapter page. You just have to click on join chapter. Once you do that, you are a registered member of GDSC as per Google developers. And after that, in our Instagram bio, we have a link for become a member. Once you click on that, you just have to fill your details, and then you are a member as per RAIT. So if you are an RAITian, you can easily become a member of GDSC RAIT. Now I'll request my team members to describe the domains that they will be managing. Firstly, we will have all the non-tech domains, and after that, we will be covering the technical domains. Okay.
So yes, hello everyone. I'm Tanaya Mundra and I'm the management lead for GDSC RLT. So the role of management lead is managing community. Like we have various domains. We have our board members, we have our joint core and junior core. So I'm responsible for keeping proper management and coordination between all those. So, as you all know that this year GDSC is working in offline mode for the first time, but as it is post-COVID times, online has become a vital place to have a presence on. So, I will be leading the domains which are related to the social media, and for that reason, the domains who are coordinating with me are marketing domain, creativity domain, video editing domain, and the content team. So now I will give you an idea about every domain. So the first domain is the marketing domain. So marketing domain plays a vital role in promoting the works and mission of our community. It serves as the of our community and coordinating and producing all materials representing our club. So and informing the audience about all the latest development and our upcoming events and our activities. So this is all the part of our marketing domain. So in this sense, marketing is something that we need to create and manage every day to maintain a healthy relationship with our followers. And now moving forward, we have our next domain, that is creativity domain. So creativity plays a vital role in building and is one of the main source of attraction in our community. We can consider it as a backbone of our community. Activities like creating posters, props, and almost all the decorative stuff comes under creativity domain. It is an essential need. Creativity is an essential need to attract many more people to a particular event. It is not just a task. It is an art to attract and gather people. Um, so there is so much to explore in this domain. You all can join our creativity domain. And the next domain is the content team. So content team job is to manage our uh, social media presence, and content team post reels based on technical facts and interesting content on Instagram, and basically show our technical knowledge through digital medium. Content team provides information about a particular topic in short so that the viewers get a complete idea about it through our blogs or posts. If you wish to join the content team, you all are welcome to be the next blogging catalyst for GDSC this year. Also, catalysts who wish for their writers to get featured on the esteemed GDSC RIT medium are always welcome. I hope it's never late to start writing. So join our blogging catalyst, and be a part of it. So now the next domain is the video editing domain. So main job of this team is to create and edit videos for GDSC events and workshop. And these workshops are very innovative and informative for students. So in events and workshops, video editing plays a very important role. We try to make it uh, as creative as possible so that audience feel thrilled and interested in it. So yes, that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay. So next we have our projects lead.
Yeah, so hello everyone. And since I'm the project lead for this year, I will be looking after all the management and execution of the events that GDSC RIT will be performing. So everything, including all the Google events that we will be executing, and also all the events that GDSC RIT will exclusively bring for you guys. So all the management, planning, and execution will be under me. Also, since this is the first year of GDSC RIT in the offline mode, we have planned a lot of interesting events, which will be hands-on, also some in online mode, some in offline mode. So make sure that you guys participate and make the most out of it. Apart from that, the domains that are under me are graphic designing. So graphic designing, as the name suggests, will contain everything related to designing posters, from like posters to post stories and everything in between. So designing, as we know, is very important skill these days. And if you are interested or want to learn, definitely join the team, be on board, and you will get to learn a lot. And also developing these skills are an essential like requirement for you guys today. So definitely join it. Second domain under me is logistics. So logistics will be looking after all the resources that GDSC RIT will be requiring for its events, and also like sourcing the resources and the management of the resources. Also the hospitality part of the events will be taken care by the logistics team. And third team that is under me is women in tech team. Now this team is very important uh, these days, looking at the number of like looking at the representation of the genders in the industry. So as GDSC RIT will be working towards increasing the inclusion of women in the industry, and giving them and providing them a platform to learn and participate in the technology industry overall. So feel free to join any of these or and mostly all of these domains, so that you can learn a lot of new things and we can work together as a team. So thank you.
Yeah, so next we have our outreach lead.
Hello guys, so I'm Bhavini Srivastava and I'm the outreach lead for the year 2023. So first of all, I'm beyond elated to be a part of this super fun community, which is the best platform to gain experience that is one of a kind. So the domains that will be under me or will be reporting to me are sponsorship, publicity, editor-in-chief, and student coordinator. I'll be giving you a brief of all these domains so that if you're interested in any of these, which I am sure everyone will be, then you can be a part of these domains. So we'll start with sponsorship. So, in all its forms, sponsorship is something that allows any community to reach the targeted niche markets without the expense and uncertainty associated with traditional advertising. So, sponsorship is basically generating funds or getting something that is in kind for the things that we have to conduct. For any event, the basis on which the event is going to be conducted is cash. You need money, you need coupon codes, you need different things to make the event happen. So strategic sponsorships can help our community meet multiple marketing goals at once. There are a lot of benefits that sponsorship has, and it helps us shape the end user's attitude. It builds our brand's awareness, it drives sale, it increases reach, it generates media expense, then you get exposure, it differentiates you from your competitors, it helps us take a corporate citizen role, it helps us generate a lot of new leads that can help us increase our brand presence in the GDSE throughout the world. Then it helps us enhance our community, our consumers, and our relationships with the corporate world. Coming to the next domain, that is publicity. So publicity is very important because it helps us increase the awareness and visibility of our community while establishing it as a worthwhile business to purchase the products that we'll be giving you. Now, since GDSE is a committee where we're not charging anything, we have to advertise our events in such a way that students themselves are interested in being a part of those, and the this entire domain is looked after by publicity, promoting our events, presenting them in such a manner that students come to us, be a part of our events, and gain insights from them is the responsibility of the publicity domain. So it helps us become a corporate citizen, enhance our business, become a better consumer, and again build relationships. It is very important because there are a lot of advantages to it, which include it is very inexpensive. Mouth to mouth publicity, as we know, is the best form of publicity and has the maximum advantages. It is a great way to gain credibility. It introduces us to a lot of opportunities that are unknown to us, such as collaborations, and end of the day it helps us strengthening our community. The next domain is editor in chief. So editor in chief is the domain that determines the look and the feel of the publication. It has the final say of what is going to be published at the end of every event. So whether it is making a technical report, whether it is doing the editing work, the copy editing work, the writing work, it is all looked after by editor in chiefs. Student coordinator is a person who is more of a public relation officer and is going to make sure that the community is functioning in a great manner. So these are the four domains that will be reporting to me, and if any one of you is interested in joining any of these, then you all should definitely come up and be a part of GDSC, because I think all these domains are such that they'll help you not just improve your tech skills but also your interpersonal skills, a which are a necessity in today's world. So I look forward to working with each one of you.
Thank you so much, Bhavini. So these were all the non-tech domains that we have for GDSC. But again, the purpose of GDSC is, technical awareness. So with all-round development in non-tech domains, we also have all the technical domains which are like current trends in technology. So now I will request all my technical board members to introduce themselves and their domains and give a brief idea about their domains. Yeah.
First of all, my name is and app development. App development is the process of creating apps that runs on any platform like Android and iOS. So in app development, we are focusing on the app Android development journey. So app development is a process include creating installable application for mobile devices and implementing the backend services as well. So as an app developer, what are the tasks for any app developer? So app developer has responsibilities including like coding, designing, app management, and checking for the security threats, and that's all stuff. So app development helps you make to build beautiful and interactive apps that easy to use and very easily to use. So what things we are going to learn in app development? Firstly, we are going to learn some basic things of Java programming. Then we are going to learn some advanced concept of Java programming from scratch. Then after we will see about how to use Android Studio and what is the purpose of Android Studio. So how can we develop an app using Android Studio? Also nowadays Flutter development is much famous in market. So we are going to see about the language required for Flutter development, which is Dart, and Flutter. We will see about the Flutter development. Also, we are going to handle many events like Android Study Jam, Flutter Festival. So I am request you to participate in that events also. So this is from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yashan. Next.
Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I am Jobin Jacob, and I'm the cloud computing lead this year for GDSC along with Atharva. So basically, just a rundown of what is cloud. So as Ishan stated, when you have to make an application, you also need the resources required to make the specific application, even to host them, be it. So what you need is a computer, CPU, RAM, storage, all of that, of course. So either you can upfront pay for it, or you can acquire the same resources over the internet. So cloud is basically using these computing services over the internet, and you can also scale them according to your like company's need. So that there shouldn't be an issue with I have already paid so much, so I can't like invest more. Yeah, I can't reduce the number the amount of resources that I have. Uh, so this year we will be having a few events which will be talked about by Atharva.
All right. So, hello everyone. I am Atharva Rotlikar. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
All right. So, I will be talking about the events conducted under our cloud domain. So, we will be conduct. I would like to focus on two events: the 30 days with Google Cloud platform, as well as the 7-day Google Cloud challenge. So in the 30-day platform, 30-day program, you will be able to access the GCP platform, and you will be able to complete a few labs. So in the few labs, you will be able to acquire some skills and by solving real-world problems on GCP. And then in the 7-day challenge, you will be applying those same skills which you learned in the 30-day program. And then you will be able to acquire so certificates, merchandise, etc., and also a lot of experience, of course, the main thing. Also, we will be conducting many workshops, as well as we will be conducting some events like sessions, etc. So we can teach you the cloud platform. Also, if any of you have any issues or do you want to use the cloud platform or projects, you can approach us. So that will be all from us. Thank you a lot.
Thank you so much. Tejas?
Hello everyone.
Miss.
Hello everyone. I am Prathamesh. I am the web development lead of the GDSC. Now, in web development is not just like we create an HTML web page using CSS and JavaScript and upload it on the website. Web development is creating an application using different frameworks so that we can use them without installing them in our PC. So in web development throughout the year, we will learn about different frameworks such as Angular. Angular is a best example of responsive websites such as we know the crickbus.com. Now crickbus.com we see for our cricket scores. That's also built using Angular. Now such that another framework is React.js. React.js is one of a powerful framework of JavaScript. Facebook is also built using React.js. So such that also MongoDB, we have Flask. We will learn throughout the year. We will learn about these different frameworks in web development. So I will love everyone to come approach us if you have any interest or doubts in web development.
Okay, Teja?
Uh, Hello everyone. I am Tejas Shroff and I'm currently in final year computer student at RAIT. And this year I'm serving as cybersecurity and AML lead in GDSC RAIT. I'm deeply interested in machine learning and cybersecurity field and their innovative applications. Also, I've participated in quite a few hackathons like SIH and also developed various projects based on machine learning. Yeah, so this year I will be in charge of organizing and conducting various workshops and events on cybersecurity and AIML, where you will get exposure to learn new things about cybersecurity. So, if you have any queries related to cybersecurity or AIML or need any help, please feel free to contact me. Yeah, that's it from my side.
Thank you so much, Tejas. So, yeah, these were the technical domains that we have this year, and we plan to, guide and train all the people who are present. I guess we have many second years and first year students who are present in the meeting who wish to learn and explore these domains, but they are currently either in the beginner level, or they actually have no idea in that domain. So these are the leads who are there to guide you. We will also be having facilitators who will be there to guide you, so that you can all excel in these domains or any other domain that you wish, because we are trying to include as many technical domains as possible for GDSE this year. And also, speaking earlier, as all my core members, they mentioned about the non-tech domains that they have. So for that also, we did open catalyst forms recently, where you can all be a part of some or the other team. The catalyst forms were for people who are interested in non-tech domain, and the facilitators form were for the people who are interested in tech domain. So the results will be out soon in next few days, where we will be announcing the catalysts and facilitators for various domains. And also for people who have not applied to be a catalyst or facilitator, or who got to know about it later, you can still be a part of GDSE community as a member. You just have to join the chapter. You are a part of member. We also have planned lots of events, upcoming events for you all. So my team members, they will be describing about those events in short, so that you will get an idea of what are the things that you have in future for you. Okay, Bhavini?
Okay, so I'll be starting with the first event. The first event, I would not be revealing the name because it is a surprise, but it is related to app development. The first event is scheduled on 12th of September, and we hope to get maximum participation out of it. I'll be giving you the details. But it is going to be a 2 session workshop wherein we'll be teaching you how to develop an app from scratch, and it is going to be under flagship of Compost Camp of Google Student Developer Community. So there'll be 4 sessions which will be conducted by experts, and all of you are going to be a part of it, hopefully. Like, we hope to get maximum participation, and at the end of it there'll be a competition wherein you will be asked to develop a app. You'll be given a problem statement, so again you'll have to wait for it, but then you'll be asked to develop a full-fledged app, and you will be giving it to someone who's very important. Again, you'll have to wait for that, for the entire details, but it is going to be super interesting, and I hope you all participate very actively.
So yes, the first event that we'll be having is, it will be like an event on a large scale, and also you'll be receiving lots of things in that event. Like, firstly you'll get lots of knowledge and also some gifts, certificates, and so on. Yeah. Um, we are also planning to conduct one hackathon. Soham.
Okay, so the next event is going to be a hackathon. Last year there was Psych Hack, which was the official hackathon, but this year we are going to take it on another level. We are going to collaborate with GDSE chapters of different colleges across Mumbai as well as India, and hopefully internationally. It will be in hybrid modes. For Maharashtra, for colleges that are a part of that are part of Maharashtra, it will be in offline medium, and for national as well as international chapters, it is going to be an online medium. We're going to have speakers from various GDSE chapters who are going to collaborate with us. So that is another thing that you should be very excited for. And along with that, we are also going to be a part of Tech Fest. It is going to be a Tech Fest debut this year, and if things go well, if we get enough participation, if we see that you all are very excited for it, then we're going to definitely have a very good Tech Fest.
Yeah, exactly. Also, the hackathon which we had last year, it was Psych Hack, and the theme was hacking mental health. So, in that, the major thing that we tried was to build projects to hack mental health. And this year, we'll be having some different theme, different problem statements. And another major event that, not exactly event, but a Google event that, a Google developers event that we will be having is Solution Challenge, which will be by the end of the year. And in that event, we expect maximum entries from GDSC RAIT, because throughout the year we will be training you in different technologies. You will be learning a technology, and immediately we will be giving you an opportunity to work on projects. Like, we are teaching you app development, we'll give you one competition where you can show your skills. Then we'll teach you cloud, web development, and almost every technology that is possible. So by the end of the year, you will be equipped with either minimum one technology, like very well, you will be having projects in that technology. And as a result of that, we expect more participation in Solution Challenge from our college, from our community. Yeah. So that is one thing. Next, throughout the year, we will be having, like, Bhavini already mentioned about one event, the up for app development. Similarly, we will be having lots of events, and in every event, you'll have to work on projects, and create a product in that event. So for that also, we expect, like, either you have to be technically skilled, or if you're not very technically skilled, then we expect that You have to participate, you have to grab all the knowledge that we are trying to provide to you. Because these sessions, especially the offline ones that we conduct, we cannot have them very frequently. Like suppose we conduct something on YouTube live, you can get recording, you can get video, you can get access to it in future. But offline sessions where the speaker, they come and they teach you, try to grab the opportunity, try to learn as much as possible. So that is one thing. Another thing, I'll just share the screen. This year, the theme for solution challenge, which you already mentioned, is sustainability. So these are like basic 17 goals to transform our world, sustainable development. So whenever you're working on project, you can see to it that you are trying to fulfill either any one of these or all of this. All of this, I'm sure, is not possible in one project, but at least any one of this goal, if you can fulfill by making your project, then that falls in the sustainability goal, development goal category. And in that way, for our Google solution challenge, that will be the most appropriate thing. And yeah, so the sessions which majorly we are planning: solution challenge, hands-on workshops throughout the year. Majorly we are planning 5 to 5, minimum 5, or many more topics for workshops. We will be having expert talks, study jam, boot camps, roadmap sessions, and many more sessions, not completely technical, but some sessions on building your GitHub, building your LinkedIn, building your resume, how to prepare for interview, and many more domains like that. What are the benefits of joining GDSC? There are lots of benefits. Like once you are a part of GDSC team, okay. So first thing, you will get lots of certificates from Google developers. These are the certificates which will add a lot of value in your resume, because the one thing about Google developers, as I already mentioned, learning and applying it in real life. So when you learn something and you apply something in real life, so at that time those certificates, they actually carry value. So you will be getting certificates which will be a proof that you're not just learning but also applying it. We will be also giving letter of recommendations for top performers throughout the year. Like if there's someone who is contributing in various domains and various technical domains, working on various projects throughout the year, we will be giving LORs. Then you'll get to work on open source projects. You'll have and team collaborations. We'll be giving many opportunities and resources, because we get many resources from Google developers, and we will be sharing those resources with you. Many software development cycles, untaught insights because from industry experts, and some weekly challenges which we are planning to include this year. Yeah. So that's it. If anyone, like, we have tried to cover everything. We have mentioned all our technical, non-technical domains. We have mentioned the plan of events that we have for this year. Other than this, if anyone has any kind of doubts, you can ask in chat box. Or if you have some doubts with regard to GDSC joining or events or anything, you can ask in chat box. Otherwise, we will wind up the session. Okay. I guess everything is clear for everyone, so we can like wind up this session. Thank you.